Hey everyone, Jason Hill here. Where have you guys been? I haven't seen you in so long. I've been pretty busy in my personal life. We got my daughter graduated high school and it's summertime now and it's perfect time to start grilling. Our 4th of July holiday here in the States is coming up. So everybody loves tacos, but when they're shrimp tacos, it's all that much better. And that's what we're making today, shrimp tacos. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna start by using U30 shrimp, which means there's 30 units per pound. They're raw, they've already been deveined. I'm leaving the tail on until after they're cooked. And I'm gonna do about 4 shrimp per skewer because that's about how many you wanna fit in your shrimp taco. And after you skewer these up, we'll just put them in a pan and keep them in the refrigerator until they're ready for the marinade. All right, the shrimp have been skewered up. They're chilling in the refrigerator, so let's make up the marinade. Okay, we have a half a cup of water we're gonna start with, and you're gonna want the juice of 1 fresh lime. Just squeeze that in there as best you can. This is similar to my fajita marinade. And then we're gonna use 2 teaspoons of fresh cracked pepper, teaspoon of my garlic-shallot puree. This is such a key ingredient in marinades, sauteing. 3 teaspoons of New Mexico ground chili. And then we're going to have a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, followed by 2 tablespoons of fresh minced cilantro. Okay, I'm going to give this a little whisk. And then a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, just to kind of get it to thicken up. I'm going to whisk that, get that emulsification going. There you have it. Simple, easy marinade. Now we're just going to pour the marinade over the shrimp. And you'll want to cover this, put it back in the refrigerator, and turn them at least once while they're marinating. All right, the next step while your shrimp is marinating in the refrigerator is to whisk up the secret sauce. All right, all we have here, it's real simple. It's a half a cup of mayo, half a cup of plain yogurt. You could use sour cream if you like. And we're going to use about a heaping tablespoon of adobo sauce. And adobo sauce is actually the sauce that comes in your canned chipotle peppers. So we're not really using any of the peppers, just the yummy smoky sauce. Let's go ahead and pour in our smoky adobo sauce. And chipotle is actually a smoked jalapeno pepper. You can add a pinch of salt to this if you like, or even another little squeeze of lime juice. See how simple that is? That, my friends, is your shrimp taco secret sauce. Okay, I've had my grill preheating at medium high. I'm gonna put my corn tortillas that I wrapped up in foil on my top shelf here, get those nice and soft. And we're just gonna place these shrimp on here. If you've cooked shrimp on the grill before, you know they don't take long at all. Of course, we're not going to eat those tails. We will pull those off after they're done cooking. Should have spread it out a little more. There we go. You want to make friends? Make shrimp tacos. I bet you my neighbors are out there going, what is that smell? A couple sides, or a couple minutes each side. That's all you really need. And I'm just going to put that lid down for a minute. All right, I think they're ready. A couple minutes each side. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Start to turn that white color. And they are very firm to the touch. What do you think? You ready? Yep, me too. Okay, for the garnish, we're just going to do the traditional white onion, and I like to do fine diced. Just kind of get little pieces, little dice. Put onion on it, but it really makes it pop. And we'll just also rough chop up some fresh cilantro. Nothing fancy. I try and remove as much stems as possible. They can tend to be bitter. There, that's it. All right, and of course here in California, you have to have fresh avocado on a lot of things. Pop that seed out of there. And you can either dice it or just do little slices. Be careful not to go through the skin and into your skin. All right, let's build these tacos. Okay, we're gonna take one skewer. I'm gonna pinch off the tails. We don't eat that. Of course, you'll want to do this when they're chilled a little bit. Well, not chilled, but cooled down to the touch. Okay. I might have enough for 4 per taco. There's 3. Yeah, let's go for it. Let's stuff that baby. And we're going to do a little bit of sauce in there, or as much as you like. Get a little bit of our onion, cilantro. Hey, I got 2 tacos I gotta make. Let's scoop out a little bit of the fresh avocado. I ended up doing little diced. These are 5-inch corn tortillas, and they're the soft type, so they have a little bit of wheat flour in them as well. Get our sauce in there. A little bit of onion. A little bit of cilantro. Some more avocado. You can put anything you like in your shrimp tacos, but this is kind of a traditional way that I'm sticking with. And finally, I am going to top this with some fresh diced bacon. Oh my goodness. Got some lime wedges in there. I'm ready to eat. One quick thing, you don't have to use the shrimp in a taco. If you want to make a burrito and a flour tortilla, fold up some rice in there, go for it. All right, well, I hope you give this easy shrimp taco recipe a try. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Got my lime wedge here. Squirt a little bit on there. Here we go. That smoky sauce, little crisp bacon bits, and the shrimp with a little onion and cilantro. Man, that's good.